Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what BAN is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, I posted this on the private chat, that we had a lot of potential for an inverted head and shoulders, and so far it's still valid, which is always good. The struggle been real at the 61.8% retracement, so $7 or so. So that is, I'm using the fibs, guys, from about April 4th, April 5th of 2020 to the high of August 10th of 2020. So this was a huge rally. I mean, we just need to hit the right coin at the right time. We have a massive rally like this, and bada bing, bada boom, we'll make some shackles here. I mean, imagine whoever bought, at 14, at about 20 cents or so, and then held this to 18 bucks or so. That was a big rally. They made some shackles there. But that being said, guys, by the way, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world how to make some shackles. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, let's just talk about this inverted head and shoulders. Now, typically I like to mention inverted head and shoulders at the very bottom. We're not at the very bottom, but it's alright. I mean, this looks like a pretty decent bottom. And the way that you calculate this, you just take, the neckline. Depends where you're measuring. I'm measuring the neckline from the 61% retracement, so this is just a rough estimate. If I take the neckline from about $7.64, that puts us at about 11 bucks, 11.26. So that it's a lot of room to grow here. I kind of don't want to do anything right now. I mean, this is tempting, but at the same time, it's kind of want to wait and see. If you held at this 78% retracement, you are golden. And I would continue to hold. Here, I mean, if I was to place a small position, I would put my stop loss there, about $5.66 or so, around there. Very tight stop, because there's been a big struggle, this 702 level. I mean, we broke higher, went below, and then we're having this massive struggle, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times roughly on how many times we retested it. So we just have to be very careful with this. But once we break and hold above, about $7.80, to your next target is $9.14, and objective 2 puts you at 11.26. So you have a lot of room here to make some shackles. And then your next objective will be 13.8. So we got a lot of potential right now. Let's just kind of measure risk to reward here, see how it's playing out. By the way, guys, you guys asked for a private chat we deliver. It's called easycryptopro.com. Go and check it out. I'll put it down in the description below. If you need more help aside from the YouTube channel, that's where you need to be. We created 2 versions. The live version, that's just technical analysis, and then we created the pro version. That's more not only technical analysis, but I get to hold your hand at all times. And at the same time, I'll post my setups as they do them, even if it's a 1 in the morning. So now I'm not one of those guys that trades in the 1-minute chart, so it's not going to be happening every second. So just keep that in mind, guys. Remember, we have to have the accuracy of a sniper in the rhythm of a chess player if we want to make some shackles here. So just keep that in mind, guys. Also, go and check out my Instagram, forexcapital.ca, my personal one, and go and check out Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro. So let's just get back to it. So if you were to place a position here, I mean, even at objective 1, your risk to reward is actually really good. If you the problem is this 20-day moving average. That's my concern here. That's why I kind of want to break above the 61% retracement. If it goes above the 61% retracement, your first objective is crappy, but your second one turns out to be fine. I mean, this is tempting to go long right now because risk to reward checks out pretty good. Even out objective 1 is 3.27, so I might do that. Hold on a second. I might just get my feet wet right now with Van and place a small position just to get my feet wet. See. Alright, guys. Put a little bit of shackles in, and then my stop loss are very tight. They are, because I'm kind of concerned, you know, if we don't hold this and we have a pullback, we're going to $4. So that's my concern. But if we start to rallying, because everything looks very bullish, but we're not out of the woods yet. So you just have to keep that in mind when you're trading. So everything looks good, but we're still not out of the woods just yet. Eventually we will, but not yet. If we look at the monthly, the monthly looks alright. Let's see, let's take this off. Yeah, the monthly looks alright. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly, see, this fib, man, this fib looks like we've been struggling since September 21st. So we've been a few months of struggle, but if we go and then we retested the 20-day moving average, if we break above that fib, and you know, definitely we can see a bigger rally, you know. I think that's my concern here. RSI looks alright. Let's just go back to the daily. Yeah, so on the daily, like I said, I place a small position. Stops are kind of tight, but that way it saves me if it, you know, we have a rollback. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.